Hello, my name is Lilia and welcome to my channel. I'm sure you guys cannot recognize me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these locks. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. But before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so I get notified whenever I post new videos. This video is brought to you by Crochet Braids. They are a hair brand that sells all sorts of crochet, twist, braids. So if you want to get this hair, or you want to get any sort of crochet or twist or hair for twist or braids, you can reach out to them. I'm going to leave their WhatsApp chat, link to their WhatsApp chat and their Instagram page in the description box, so you can reach out to them to get any of these. Without any more talking, let's jump right into the video. So I'm starting on clean, moisturized and freshly braided hair. It's very important for you to make sure your hair is moisturized and clean before you install any protective style, because this will help to keep your hair protected while you wear the style. I'm going to be using the Bae Locs. I'm using the long one, that's the one of 20 inches. This hair comes in two lengths. You can either get the one of 20 inches or the one of 12 inches. I got the color one, that's the pure black. Then as you can see, each pack comes with 10 locks, with 2 locks that have some like decorations on it, that's 2 accent pieces. So I got 5 packs. I also got some yarn, some pieces of yarn for decorating the hair. I'm also going to be using my crochet needle, the regular crochet needle. You guys have seen this a million times. When choosing the color to get for your locks, I recommend that you get a color that blends well with your hair. That's if you're going to be doing individual crochet, then you should get the color that blends with your hair, so that it just makes the whole style look neater. The locks come with pre-loops, so that to make it very easy for crocheting. So what you do is you attach the lock to your crochet needle, like you put it in the needle, close your needle, and then you take the braid that you want to do and make a hole inside. This is why it's very important to make your braids kind of loose at the root, so that it will be easy for your hair to for the lock to glide in. Then you insert the lock into the hole you've created in your hair, close the needle, remove the needle, then you pull out the hook through the hole you made in your hair or in your braid, and then you put your hair through that loop. Then after putting your hair, you put the rest of the lock through the loop also. And then you make it tight to put it in place. So when the lock is secured, then what I do is I try to check, like stretch my hair to see what point it stops on the lock, and then you leave like a little allowance, mark that point, and that's where you start to insert your crochet needle. You try to make sure that the needle passes through the center of the lock. This will just make your style neater when you finally put your hair in it. So you put it through the center and just continue to push the needle up through the center. You push it until you get to the point where your braid comes out, and then you bring out the needle like through that end where your braid is. Bring out the needle, and then you take your braid and attach it, like put it in your crochet needle. Divide into 2 and like put it in the needle, like hang it in the needle, and then close your needle, close it, hold your hair and pull the hair through the lock. You need to be gentle when you do this. And when your hair comes out, you remove the needle and then pull your hair out properly. Pull out the hair, then you pull the lock to make sure your hair falls inside. This is why it's important for you to make sure you start to put your needle inside your lock, like giving some distance longer than the actual length of your hair. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but yeah, so that's all. It's very easy. It's very simple to do. There's no big deal about it. Like, this is the easiest hairstyle you ever do. For the accent pieces, it's basically the same technique, but I later found a method that was a lot gentler on my hair and easier for me to do. So instead of inserting the lock with the crochet needle, what I do is make a hole or like a loop in my braid, then insert the lock into that loop without the needle, just using my hands to just push it inside. I found out this method was a lot faster for me and easier for you. So you can try both techniques and see which one works for you best or better. So after inserting the lock inside, follow the same technique. Put your hair inside the loop of the lock, then put the lock inside the loop, the rest of the lock inside the loop also. Make it tight. Then measure the point where your hair stops on the lock. Give some allowance. Then that's the point where you start to insert your crochet needle. Insert your needle through the center. Try as much as you can to make sure the needle remains in the center as you push it up. Then bring out the needle at the point where you see your braid. Push it up. Then put your braid in the crochet needle like. When you're doing this, you need to make sure that the entire braid is inside the needle, not just a strand, so that it doesn't end up breaking your hair. So you are putting the whole braid in it. Hold it in place, then try to pull it through the lock. So when your hair comes out, remove the needle, then pull your hair out properly. Adjust the lock and then release your hair, then pull the lock down to make sure that it swallows the rest of your hair. So this is very simple, very easy. Like I said, this is the easiest hairstyle you will ever do. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair. I'll basically just speed through the process. This is the same technique I use for everything. For the accent pieces, I put them in randomly. So yeah, I'm just going to speed through the rest of the video. So it's the next day and I'm already done doing all my hair. I actually finished doing everything yesterday, but it was too late for me to film, so I decided to wait till this morning before I show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I used all the 5 packs, so I have a total of 50 locks on my hair right now. The process was actually very easy. The reason why I finished it was because I stopped, did other things, continued, and stuff like that. That's why it took so long. But I think if you, let's say I wasn't doing anything in between, I think it would have taken me like maybe 1 hour plus to finish doing all my hair. So let me stand up so that I'll show you guys the length. I actually slept without a satin scarf or pillowcase yesterday because I wanted it to get a bit fuzzy, so that it will look more natural. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really love the hair. It's so soft. It's very soft, like, and it doesn't itch. Like, it's not, it feels soft and smooth and fluffy. Like, it's not something that will feel uncomfortable when it touches your skin. And I love how thick the locks are. Like, I feel like I prefer the rainbow look to the plain gold look. So I'll just take some of these yarn and just selectively pick or randomly pick some of the accent pieces and wrap some of these colorful yarns on it. Don't wrap it too tight because you don't want the hair to become thin, so you just gently wrap it, just tight enough so that it doesn't unravel, but not too tight that it starts to look slimmer. You can follow any design you want. You don't have to wrap it the way I'm wrapping mine. So when you get to the end, you just insert it into the other already wrapped accent piece, just to put it in place. So I'm done wrapping the yarn. I still left some of the gold accent pieces like untouched. See how some of them untouched. So I've been slicking my edges, that's why I have this scarf on. Or rather, I've been laying my edges. So this is what my hair looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.